Was there ever a time in your life you're not in the mood for tacos? Just name me one time and I'll give you $5.
Whenever you're...
Welcome to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Right over there's Nate.
Hey.
Right over there's Ethan.
Hey.
Hello.
And there should be somebody over here.
Hey, ST.
But Este's over there.
Yeah.
So great having you on set.
We love it.
It's like a breath of fresh air. It's like 3 of us wasn't enough. Like having a 4th around is just really nice.
Vanisher! Nice! Right?
Glad you guys are here. Today I'm going to show you a fun, festive way to take your chicken taco game through the roof. Through the stratosphere, some might say.
Yeah? Who would say that?
I would say that.
I believe you.
So every time the bell rings, an angel gets its wings, and then we eat chicken tacos.
Denise, you were right. The taco won.
So come on, everyone! It's today's first show!
To start this recipe off, we are going to do what we call in the biz, quick pickle. You could do this the night before if you like. You could do... Stop. Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing, you're laughing. Grow up, everyone.
Now for this quick pickle, we're gonna start off with some thin sliced red onion. The thinner, the better. If you have a mandolin, go for it. I don't have a mandolin here
Well, you have
today, but
excellent
I
knife
am
skills.
doing a very, dude, look at that. Like that is,
Excellent
that
knife
is,
skills.
that is pretty decently
Even,
thin. Even
gorge,
thin cuts. Thank you
consistent,
very much.
Thin.
Thin,
little,
even, gorge, all those
yellow.
things. Different.
Do it again. Prove
now-
everyone that you did it.
Now we've, oh, well, this isn't the exact same, but
Well, I don't do my iconic victory dance for nothing. Okay, I guess just this once I can do it for nothing.
That's
if I had a
actually
table that I could just,
I'm doing my best.
you are doing a great job.
Wait, you're doing these inside the onions? Okay.
We're gonna heat up the red onions.
I like it.
We're gonna pickle the green jalapeno and this
Purple
Fresno,
pepper.
this Fresno chili, and some champagne vinegar. This is where the pickling comes into play here.
Champagne.
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 And I've also got a little bit of garlic powder because I'm feeling
Garlic.
saucy.
Dude,
you
has
know what else
anyone
I'm gonna
noticed,
do?
like you were like hanging on an edge, like cliffhanger over here.
Oh, jeez. Whoa. Yeah. Thank you.
Better.
Cliffhanger, hanging from a cliff, and that's why he's called Cliffhanger.
Now I've got some tequila lime seasoning. Gonna throw that in there.
It smells really
I've
good.
got a little bit of coarse black pepper.
black peppy.
A little cracked pepper. Got some salt. And dude,
Ooh, hack.
fun
Flavor hack.
Fun flavor hack.
Don't tell me you're hacking into already done.
Mango pineapple
Oh yeah.
for some sweetness.
Touch of acidity.
Touch of acidity. It's gonna go a long way. Dude, you leave all this cruising for a couple hours, you'll be shocked.
Overnight would be magic.
Absolutely. But doesn't matter.
Okay.
20 minutes.
That'll work.
You're gonna be shocked.
It'll do.
Speaking of not shocked, I'm using chicken cutlets because I love chicken cutlets. Let's get these. Let's see, what am I looking for? This is what I'm
Earl?
looking for.
My name is Earl.
A little bit of oil. If you happen to have the Blackstone Street Taco seasoning, use it. Today, we've got tequila lime that we're gonna go with. It's another fantastic option. Both are good, but I was feeling a little tequila lime action going on here.
Tequila-y.
A little bit of that.
Feeling saucy.
Hey guy, will you crank up my heat over here for me
No.
while I finish seasoning this up?
No.
Yeah. What? Don't know. Don't know.
You forgot to turn it up?
No, I just didn't want him to feel bad about not having a job.
He does have a job.
Yeah, to be amazing. Now before the chicken goes down on our preheated Blackstone, thanks buddy, gonna do a little bit of olive oil, and let's get these cruising. Now one thing you do want to remember with a seasoning like this, you are gonna have some sugar. So you gotta make sure that you watch out for your protein. If you're doing steak, if you're doing shrimp, you could even do fish if you wanted, but why would you want to do that?
I would.
Yeah, you would.
You would.
In the meantime, just point is watch it. Watch out for it.
Been working up a sweat there with
Working
your
up an
assistant-in-law.
appetite. Hey,
Hey.
thanks, babe.
He's not my boyfriend.
You hear that?
You hear it?
You hear it?
I hear it.
She's talking over here.
Sounds like sleigh bells.
Ringling.
Are you listening?
Dude, I'm so ready for Christmas.
Me too. It's coming.
Oh,
It's
thank
coming.
God it's on the way.
I love you.
It's time to make a special sauce, y'all.
How special is this sauce?
You know what? We'll figure it out, because I've not made this sauce before.
Whatever.
I have experimented with said sauces.
I feel like I've seen more compliments on your sauce game than anything else. People love your sauce game.
Pretty awesome.
Sauce.
Oh, man.
Okay, I'll allow it. I'm going to allow it big time.
I'm like, that was like ungrateful.
Mm.
Oh, hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that Bill, Lesh, and Mickey, alongside some others, worked in an ensemble called the Rhythm Devils to help make the soundtrack for Francis Ford Coppola's Apocalypse Now?
No way!
Yeah.
Whoa.
Dude, that is
Ritmo
a
Diablo.
fun little tidbit.
Yeah.
That was ungrateful.
Yeah.
Oh, judges say we'll allow it.
Okay.
That was gold.
I'm dead.
All right, so it looks like I actually need a little bit more sour cream, so I'm gonna add another dollop or two, if you will. I don't know what the technical
Sour
measurement
cream.
of a dollop is. Now, this sauce is pretty simple. I've got some of that tequila lime seasoning, some mango, pineapple juice, a little bit of lime juice, a pinch, maybe a scotch
There
of
you go.
pepper,
Like
and
it.
let's see how we did.
Bob's your uncle? Not yet.
Not yet.
He
He's
hasn't
not
married
my
into the
uncle.
family.
A dollop usually refers to a small portion, about a tablespoon.
Oh, see? Here's
Look
the
at that.
part where you go, you were wrong.
I didn't say that. All right, you were wrong.
I am saying you are wrong.
No, you said
We
I
need-
get to say that.
No, we needed a healthy amount of tequila lime.
About a tablespoon could be more than a tablespoon. About doesn't always mean less than.
I don't know, but here's what I'm doing.
It means it's about.
I'm gonna throw down some limes right there. Let's give these another flip.
Okay.
Dude, all right, like this is so fun and simple. We're about done.
Do you have a napkin in your pocket?
Yeah,
Oh.
everybody has napkins in their pocket. But in the back of my pocket. Whoa, we'll be back when it's time to slice up the chicken and build. That's where
Cool.
we're at. Yo, no,
Cool.
no, you know what? Hold on.
Whoa. That's close.
I gotta honor the
Carne.
exactly. Now the question is, flour or corn?
Obvious.
Flour.
You lie in flour? Flour? Okay. I'm gonna.
That
He
easy?
chose my decision.
No, it's because Andy said it.
He bought who?
He bought it. Let's go down with some flour tortillas over here.
Okay.
We're gonna warm them up, get a little color on them. Don't want them crispy, and we're getting some residual heat. Actually, I'm gonna get a little bit further because
Get your
got some heat.
your
cruising.
judo positioning here.
My Judy chop.
Yeah.
Yep.
Or it's like a yoga stance.
Yeah, that'll
It's
do.
like off, low, medium, low.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a yoga stance.
Perfect. Okay, here we go again.
Now we.
Now,
Now.
after this, we're gonna slice it up and build.
So,
Dude, this chicken is money. It needed a couple turns. That's us watching out to make
Gorgeous.
sure that we didn't burn the sugar
Gorgeous.
that's in that seasoning. But bro, money, money, money. Let's pull that off. My tortillas are also nice and warm, not to be confused with toasty and burnt. Also, I forgot those limes that I put down right next to the
yeah.
chicken. Now let's slice up this chicken. I'm gonna put them in like small, manageable bites, not like tiny itty bitty like a dice, but let's get these tortillas in our taco holder. Now, following that is our quick pickle slaw. Dude, I don't
smells
like
great
I don't
from
like
here.
red onions raw by themselves, but when you pickle them,
Magic.
I am a massive fan. Also, following that, we're gonna put some of that special sauce that we made, which is so yummy. Top that with some fresh cilantro.
Ooh, I like that move. A lot of
Get
cilantro.
heavy on cilantro. And then, of course, we got some crumbled queso fresco cheese, and I've got to. It's a post dust. It's a must. I don't make up the rules.
Are
This
you
is
sure
just
you didn't make that rule?
okay. I
'Cause-
made that rule up,
Yeah, you did.
and it works. Dude, these turned out awesome,
They did.
even though they're in a
They
flour
actually
tortilla.
did.
I hate it.
Isn't that funny when you say actually? It makes it sound like you don't normally mean it. Although I always mean it. You
Right.
always make great food.
Dude, you know what I'm gonna do?
Eat it. Eat a bite of it.
I'm gonna do a little bit. And bro,
More?
I had already squeezed these, but whenever you toast them, it
Nice.
releases a little bit more juice.
Okay. You like it?
I do like what I used.
Yeah, toasting the lime juice, it changes the dynamic of that flavor. Toasty, gorgeous, caramely almost.
Mmm.
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 Mmm. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm. The lime juice, the sauce, this is fantastic. Scrap the cilantro if you don't want it, but honestly,
That's a good
so
looking
herbaceous. I'm a big fan of this.
Herbaceous? Look at you.
Oh, look at you. Well, leave it in the comments below. How did I do? What would you like me to see? What would you like to see me? Or want me to see it? Strike that. Reverse it. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see me cook in the future.
There it is.
Also, let me know how I did. And speaking of comments,
Uh-oh.
it's time, my friends.
We're
We've
here.
arrived. It's CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome to this segment of my cooking show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers. So be sure to leave them, because if you guys write it,
We read it.
that's right. We get to have some fun.
Obviously.
So here we go, starting from the top in no particular order. This is from Craig Chapman.
Hey, Craig.
Craig says, a lot of times I forget what you're cooking because the clips and joking is so much fun to watch.
Yeah,
You
Craig.
thought I was
Craig
going the
knows.
opposite.
I did.
You thought nope. Come on.
Craig
Come on,
knows.
Craig.
Craig.
Craig. Not to be confused with old Greg.
Old Craig.
Old Craig.
We could do some watercolors together, you and I.
Oh, dude, this is a good one. This is from K. Remit.
Hey, Kay.
That is so encouraging. K. Remit says, good Lord, these videos are unwatchable.
Hi, Kate.
Is that it?
That's it.
Okay.
Crimmit the frog.
Okay.
He's bringing home the bacon.
Well,
That was just mean.
what's just mean?
Extra time just to leave a message.
Which I appreciate.
All she had to do was not watch.
She or
She's
he.
Oh yeah, he. Whoever it is.
It's a
They're
dude.
not watching now.
No, they're
I
not.
wish I could be like Agent K and splash away this memory. Come on, it was pretty good.
Men in Black reference.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
I am just a figment of your imagination.
This is from Jim Vale.
Hey, Jim.
6531.
Jim's awesome. If you don't know, now you know.
Jim says, I soaked some shrimp and fish in Taco Bell hot sauce,
Oh no.
harvested from leftover packets, as the finest
Oh,
gentlemen do,
Jim.
before dredging in flour.
Jim.
Thinking of you, CJ.
You're better than this.
I know how much you love seafood. Oh.
He broke both of our hearts.
Yeah, listen.
Jim.
Don't disrespect this Taco
Jim.
Bell hot sauce like that. Feel free to disrespect your seafood, but I gotta be honest, that sounds nasty. Probably was good. Probably was.
If it was doused in Taco Bell hot sauce, you'd eat it.
Yeah.
If I didn't tell
I don't know
you,
if I would.
If I didn't tell you, I could make octopus and like put a ton of Taco Bell hot sauce. You would even know.
I would 100% know.
Nope.
Yes, I would.
We're gonna try it.
No, we're not.
Do you enjoy that taco?
Because I'm not eating your
'Cause when
food
you weren't
anymore.
looking.
How about that? How
When
about
you
I'm not
weren't
eating your
looking.
food anymore?
I put it in your taco shell. Can you lose something? Or
Yeah, my friend. All right, this next one is from Steve.
bye?
Steven Oles or Steve Nolels. Steve says, CJ, watching your loaded steak and avocado bread video, was wondering if you ever used Spam, because sometimes that's all I can afford. Here's why I chose this comment. Number one,
I haven't had Spam in a while.
I have never had Spam.
It's all right. It
Is
gets
it like,
a lot of hate.
I'm sure it tastes like a thick hot dog, right?
Kind of. A little different.
Reason why I chose this comment was, in cooking, you gotta pivot sometimes. And you gotta work on a budget sometimes. So no, I haven't, and I probably won't, but on a budget, you do what you gotta do.
Yeah, it would be good.
And it would, I'm sure it
It
would be good.
a perfectly fine pivot.
I think perfectly fine. Yes, we'll
Yes.
go with that. So Steven,
Stevish.
Spam on. Okay, this is from R Blaine82.
R Blaine.
Oh,
Sounds
Ricky
like
B.
a hater.
Wow, you would think that, right?
Yeah.
But he says, I feel like at this point, CJ has totally redeemed himself from his burnt bacon phase of life. He's
Yeah.
moved on, people. Can we? Should we?
Well, they obviously didn't see the episode we shot today.
That's not true.
I would say redemption. Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's been a hot minute since I saw a crispy piece of bacon from you. I'm sorry, an over-caramelized piece of bacon.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I do appreciate it. What a fun recipe that was, dude.
Good one.
It was a tasty one.
Simple and delicious.
Back end hot. Yeah, I mean, it's a chicken taco, dude. It's not like we're not coming up with something brand new, but sauce game is very important.
And that pickle in your garnish.
Pickling, doing a quick
Heck
pickle,
yeah.
so much fun. If you want to get even cooler, you use like jalapeno juice, the vinegar from the jalapenos, add it in there, so you get some
Champagne
flavor.
vinegar was nice.
Okay, well, I mean, that was nice too. Also behind me, this is our OG board. It's filled with lovely little trinkets and whatnots from you, the viewers. If you guys want to put something up there, hit me up on Instagram. In the meantime, be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com. Be sure to go to griddlenation.com. If you want to, you could find out where the party is. Don't!
Second effort. Second effort.
Because with Nate and CJ, it is a party.
It's true.
He hurt his finger.
A little bit.
No, he did.
He was shaking him.
In the meantime, guys, remember this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Tacos for everybody. I'm glad you hurt yourself.
So mean.
So come on, everyone, it's the day.